welcome back, and it's me Evelyn here again. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys Cleopatra makeup. I wear this makeup for my thematic photo shoot, but if you guys won't try and maybe go to Halloween party or costume time, you can try it because it's not so difficult. So I will teach you step by step on from my skin to brush all the way into the wig application like this, and I hope you guys just excited as I am. Let's get started on the video. Okay guys, first I'm gonna start off with my Clear C Advanced Extractor from Laneige, and after that I'm gonna use peeling serum first. Alright, so I use vitamin C, tone up, okay. This is really nice and so moisturizer. Okay, and I will use a baby skin pore eraser. Yes, from Maybelline. Just put it. Not a lot of. Because I have a problem for skin just at my T-zone area. And after that, I will use a cushion from Maybelline. Okay. I will use this. And don't forget to drop tint on your necks, of course. Gotta make sure your necks match. So next I'm going to go with the concealer from Missha. I like Missha so much. Just for under my eyes. Yes. And I'm gonna blend it. Actually, I don't like beauty blender. I just blend with my finger. Okay. And I'm gonna go with my powder Fit Me from Maybelline too. Of stuff. Okay. Look at your next too. So after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in my brow now. Like a Cleopatra have a strong eyebrow, or yes, but for me I don't wanna have a strong eyebrow. Now it's time for eyeshadow, so I'm gonna grab gold color from palette, this one gold color, and from Missha too. It's just a brown, see, put it and have a little glitter from palette, and I'm gonna grab these two colors like here, and I put all over on my lips. Now I'm gonna grab a yellow color first. Alright, these two colors right here and blue one, and put that all over my lids. This one, okay. And after I'm gonna go with the blue colors, this one, the strong blue, and I'm gonna blend it, and I put in the bottom of my eyes too. And for eyeliner, I will doing a cat eyes and a lot of practice because liquid eyeliner is so difficult. And this is Extica. This is a new brand from Korea. And I'm gonna use in my waterline this one, and how to dry the infamous eyes of the Horus. Okay, done. And now I'm gonna start for Horus eyes. Here I just put 2 sides and then 3 dots in here. Okay, just put side 1 and then 2. Okay, and then 3 dots in here. See, and after I will make a down one here, a little curve, and I'm gonna make a down one in here, a little curve. Okay, and straight one. Just this, and a little curve. Okay. After that, I will put a soft blending stick blusher matte brown from Missha too, and this is so nice. We have 2 sides, this and a cutie one, a smooth one brush in here. Okay, I will put. Let's make this, because I don't want to look chubby, right? I will put it again, and I brush. Little highlight on my cheek. This is from Extica too. This I will put. And make a little fresh, right? So I'm gonna grab my this one from Lancome. Yes. Plus, just put on your wigs. Okay, like this, because I don't have a bang, so this is a good, right? So nice, just this. So awesome. And your jewelry. Oh my god, messy. And your jewelry, the gold jewelry, this and this. And don't forget about the nail art. And you're done. I hope you guys enjoying this look.